The phone lines are open. Judge Muriel Robinson is here to answer your legal questions, and we thank you for calling. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, I'm glad to be here.
Are you ready to jump right in?
I am.
All right, let's go to our first call, and it's going to be Becky. Hi, Becky, you're on the air. What's your question for the judge? Becky, are you there?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
I wanted to know if it is okay for me to move out of state with my girls. I'm not married to their father,
Well,
but we don't always get along.
well, I understand that. Since you were never married, you're the custodian. Does he have visitation rights?
Well, we are currently living together.
You're currently living together. Well,
Yes.
If you take the children and you move, really under Tennessee law, you're supposed to notify the father of your intent to move. If he says that he doesn't desire that, then you need to petition the court and have the court grant permission for you to take the children to another jurisdiction. Now, there's different things. It's a judicial determination whether the child is supported by the father, whether the child is visited by the father. Since you are living together, he certainly has contact, and so if you make the choice to leave without court approval, he may be able to get custody through juvenile court and go out to where you are and take them back until the jurisdictional judge, which would be in Davidson County, if you're in Davidson County, could hear the proof and make a determination whether you should be allowed to go with the children. Now, a lot of things. If you remarry, you want to follow your husband. That is a fact that the judge would consider to allow you to take the children. If you are going for a job, then that's another reason that people move. But in Tennessee right now, fathers have rights, and to be perfectly following things to the letter of the law, you should ask the court to allow you to move, and you have a court order that allows you to move.
All right, Becky, thank you so much for that call. We're going to go to our next caller now. It's Wayne.
Thank you.
What's your question for the judge? Wayne, are you there? Hello, Wayne. All right, let's see if we can figure this one out. All right. All right, is this Wayne on line two? Yeah. Wayne, what's your question?
Hey, I have a issue with, I'm currently divorced, but I paid a retainer to an attorney, and the issue worked itself out, but now the attorney is not wanting to refund my retainer.
Well, usually if he did any legal work, he would not refund the retainer. Now, if you think that he owes you something back, or your contract, if you signed a legal contract that set out the terms of your retainer fee, you may be owed a portion back. I believe I would call him and say, is there any steps I should take to get part of my retainer back since we resolved it? But retainers are just what they are. Sometimes the lawyers don't have time to finish before a settlement is reached, so you probably would not be able to get the retainer back because they did do legal work on it.
All right, thank you so much for that call, and thank you, Judge Robinson, for being with us. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.